Hey guys, ready to say goodbye to dust, dirt, and mess in your home? Today, we're checking out the top 5 vacuum cleaners of 2025. If you're looking for powerful suction, smart sensors, and ease of use, you're in the right place. We've broken down and reviewed the best 5 vacuum models to help you choose the perfect one for you. Which one will be your favorite? If you're ready, let's dive into the best vacuum cleaners of 2025. VAX ONEPWR Pace Cordless. Looking for an affordable, powerful, and practical vacuum? Then the VAX ONEPWR Pace might just be the one for you. 180 motor on paper, it might not compete with Dyson's beasts, but in daily use, it's surprisingly effective. Especially on hard floors, it picks up rice, flour, and small crumbs in one go. LED brush head helps you see dust more clearly, even in dimly lit areas, so no more guessing if you've actually cleaned the spot. Up to 40 minutes of battery life per charge. If you use the brush bar, though, this will drop a bit, but it's still more than enough for everyday cleaning. Plus, the battery is removable, so you can swap in a spare for extra runtime. Easy access controls let you turn the brush bar on and off or boost suction with a simple press. It also comes with wall mount storage, but I wish the mount had a clip for the attachment, too. If you're looking for a budget-friendly cordless vacuum that gets the job done, VAX ONEPWR Pace is a solid choice. It won't disappoint for daily cleanups, but if you have pets or a large home, you might want to consider a more powerful model. Gtech AirRAM. Gtech AirRAM Platinum. Quiet, powerful, and lightweight. This vacuum is light, powerful, and has great battery life, but it comes with a hefty price tag. So, is it really worth the money? Let's break it down. One of its biggest advantages is airlock technology. This system grabs larger debris more effectively, and with anti-hair wrap tech, it picks up long hair and pet fur without getting tangled in the brush. Up to 60 minutes of battery life, enough to clean a large house on a single charge. Charging takes 3 hours, but the battery holds up really well, weighing only 3.3 kilograms, plus the forward inertia drive system. This vacuum glides effortlessly, making cleaning a breeze with minimal effort. Overall, the Gtech AirRAM Platinum is a fantastic choice if you deal with carpets, long hair, or pet fur. It's lightweight, powerful, and lasts long. However, it struggles with tight spaces and doesn't double as a handheld vacuum. Samsung Jet 90. Samsung Jet 90, sleek, powerful, and practical. Meet Samsung's latest cordless vacuum. The Samsung Jet 90 is powerful enough to pick up everything from cereal pieces to deep embedded dirt in carpets. It comes with multiple attachments for different surfaces: carpets, hard floors, blinds, bookshelves, you name it. Plus, it easily reaches under furniture and into corners, which is a big win. Up to 45 minutes of battery life on a full charge. But the best part, the battery is swappable. That means you can keep a spare one charged and swap it out for uninterrupted cleaning. Even Dyson models don't have this feature, cleaning and ease of use. Well, the dustbin is a bit tricky. It doesn't open with a single button like the Dyson V15, and you'll need a few clicks to get it off. Design-wise, it looks super sleek, and the charging stand makes it stylish even when not in use. The Samsung Jet 90 stands out for its powerful suction and swappable battery, making it perfect for big homes and uninterrupted cleaning. The dustbin could be a little more user-friendly, but overall, it's a solid choice. Dyson Gen 5 Detect. Here it is, the most powerful vacuum Dyson has ever made. Dyson Gen 5 Detect. This beast comes with an insane 260 watts of suction power, making it even stronger than Dyson's previous flagship, the V15. But the big question, is it worth the price? Let's break it down. 260 watts suction power in boost mode. Basically, it sucks up everything in its path. Advanced HEPA filter. Dyson claims it can even capture viruses. We can't exactly test that, but when it comes to filtration, they're already top of the game. Up to 70 minutes of battery life on a single charge. Need more time? You can swap out the battery and keep going. No need to replace the whole vacuum when the battery gets old. Transforms into a handheld vacuum in one quick move. Plus, it comes with a built-in crevice tool and dusting brush, making it super easy to clean tight spaces. Bottom line, the Dyson Gen 5 Gtech is a beast, perfect for pet owners, large homes, or anyone who wants a seriously powerful clean. If it fits your budget, you won't regret it. Bosch Unlimited 7. Here's a durable and long-lasting vacuum built with Bosch quality. The Bosch Unlimited 7. It comes with 4 power settings, auto, turbo, and eco modes. The auto mode automatically adjusts the suction power based on the floor type, whether it's hardwood, carpet, or tiles. It adapts on its own. Bosch claims 40 minutes of battery life, but in my tests, I actually got around an hour. That's a huge plus for longer cleaning sessions. However, with a 3-hour charge time, you'll need to wait a bit once the battery runs out. The main brush head has LED lights, so you can see dust clearly, even in dim spaces. But there's no anti-hair wrap technology, which really should be standard in 2025. The box includes a furniture and upholstery brush, a crevice tool, and a long flexible brush, and that flexible brush is a game changer for cleaning your car. If you're looking for a durable, long-lasting vacuum that works great on hard floors, the Bosch Unlimited 7 is a fantastic choice. However, if you have pets or deep carpets, you might want to go for a more powerful model. I introduced the best products for you. I hope you have decided on the product you are looking for. Don't forget to subscribe and like to see you in the next video.